Alright boys and girls, it's UK. Weather's gone to shit, seriously to shit. So what we done, we dragged this thing inside. Now that side's dark as anything, but I don't want to open the door because it's windy. And there's a guy coming who wants to be in the video. There you go, you're in the video now. So what I'm going to do this time around, I'm going to absolutely slam this thing. And for that, we actually got some KW coilovers, fully adjustable. Ugh, that's heavy. From my previous GT86 build. And if you've seen our Batmobile, when it was going to shows, it had these wheels on. So we're going to do 9.5s in front on that with some spacers. And yeah, the other thing I want to do in this episode is try and get that bar more or less ready to go back in and make it so there's less stuff on it, basically. That is the plan. And yeah, well, let's drop it. Let's take the suspension out. Go for it. Ah, look, we got a brand new BC box. Well, we got something better inside because BC's not sponsoring me. First things first, wheels off. I already lifted it up. And we got a dancing guy. You want to dance? Are we done with that one now?
Twerk.
No twerking. So yeah, I'm going to take the wheels off now and probably put that on time lapse. Then I'm going to be demolishing all my good stuff I did earlier with these things. And with this one, it's fairly easy because that side's down. That's obviously bolted down. There's just 2 bolts. I think the drop link's already off, so piece of piss. Well, as it happens, these are still on, but they look in decent condition, so I might get them off. And I'm actually gonna take this sway bar off, all plastics and whatnot, and then get rid of everything I don't need, because I mean, this is not gonna go anywhere in a hurry. This is literally probably the easiest way to swap coilovers over, because there's nothing else attached. And guess what? This cup works with our braces, so that's another bonus for me. Yeah, just have to tie them up. Gonna put some spacers on here, and then gonna do the rear same way. Probably chuck a wheel on there as well, don't we? Yeah. Alright, we've done a quick coilover swap on the front. 50 spacer, 15mm spacer, 30mm spacer, and WCI CC10. We've done a delete on a drop link. So now need to go to the rear. Do the same. Shouldn't take long either. It's literally just one there, drop it down, everything should just fall out, and then 2 in here. These 2 here, that's it, easy. Okay, coilover's on. That was fairly easy too. So we're doing a sway bar delete on the back as well. I've chucked adapter spacer on there, so it's 500 to 514. On the back I'm going to chuck one of these on, so I think it looks kind of cool. And at the minute I don't have any bigger Supreme wheels and stuff like that, so these will go for now and see what we get later on. Well, that's the look for now. So we got a real drift look going out the back, slightly inwards, like that. Front's not low enough, but we got a bit of a more aggressive stance going on, and I think for now I'll have to do. So what I'm going to do now, he's going to carry on everything on the other side. As you can see, stance on this side is even more terrible, so yeah, give me half an hour, I'll change that. You see what kind of difference we're dealing with, more or less. So well, let's crack on with that one, and then we'll see how it looks. So the other side's done, so this is the look we are dealing with. As you can see, it's way lower, but still good. Would want a bit more. Let's see if we can figure that one out, or leave it as is, or run something different. One of them. Right, it's really late now, but I'm still gonna look at that bar. See what's what. Well guys, scratch that idea, because I'll probably need a rig here to figure out where what sits. So I think on this one I'm gonna call it a night and resume tomorrow. That's bright. Okay, it's next morning and we're back on this. Done a few bits and bobs. Weather's still, weather's still like that. Dragged some headlights out, so I might just well try them on. The other thing I've done, the old damaged dash, I've stripped it down. I've literally taken all the insides out of this, airbag out, and then I'm thinking what to do with that. I could zip tie it, do the cross pattern, so it looks cool and all that, or just leave it as it is and get one of these Japanese mats on top of that. But for now, that should do. Then I've tried some taillights on. I think the winner is a tri-bar. Red tri-bar in this case. So yeah. Alright, let's put those headlights on. Just wanna test them on now, see how everything fits. I'm gonna be taking them off near enough straight away. Because what I wanna do, I wanna take these to bits. And the chrome insides I want to paint, so I need to strip the lenses off and run these without the lenses, see how more aggressive they look. And essentially you could put flasher relay in there or something like that, and or just even connect them so it just flashes away, because there's no wiring in this. So the plan is wire them separately, connect them to the battery and just make a flash. Different colours maybe even, or something like that. Haven't figured out yet, but definitely doing that. So might need an oven to take it off, but I'm going to try a heat gun. That might work. For the first go, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Went on nice and easy. Haven't done anything with the bumper, so that's just hanging on there. So that says a lot normally. I mean, probably have to massage these slightly. Oh, not too fussed on this one, on that one really. So yes, I think I need to go and figure out if I'm actually taking those lenses off or not, or could do something else with them. Don't know. Quite yellowed and got some cracking, like spider webbing in there, so not excellent lenses anyways. And technically I could take all that off, paint the chrome stuff in whatever color I want. Probably go some stupid bright. I'm sure they can find bright colors in here. Do that. So alright, let's get it all back off. Figure out what I'm doing. Before I go ahead and destroy a perfectly good headlight and everybody goes, oh you destroyed that, you could have sold it, this and that. I'm gonna do this one here. It's damaged, there's a hole in there, so it should be easy enough to remove. And then try to keep the housing intact, put it in there and see how it looks. What do you guys reckon? I think it's a good plan. Well, that was a fight and a half. Wasn't meant to happen. And surprisingly, half of this stuff is actually attached to the lens. So, yeah, that's an interesting one to start with. Yeah, that's what we get out of it. Obviously, this thing is in various bits. But yeah, what I'm going to do is going to take that light out there, put this one in, have a look. I think we are onto the winner here. That looks way more aggressive than that. I mean, that looks aggressive with the lens. Let's look without it. And the chrome bits can be painted, so you get it off nicely, get it painted. So I have to figure out which lens, which part is attached to the lens. So I'm assuming one of those is attached to the lens. I need to figure out a different way of attaching it, but you do zip ties where you can't see, stuff like that. It's not a problem. Yeah, I think I'm doing that. We're back. So, for this job, you need an oven. So 150 degrees, 6-7 minutes. Just keep checking. When the lens gets really hot to touch, that's when you pull it out. And then to pry it off, you want to start from this side here and sort of move that way. And yeah, well, only problem with this one is everything's actually in the lens. Obviously with that one there we tried, everything was broken. And whilst I was doing that, Maddie started bringing me the test rig. So this is all set up now. For last month or so, Maddie's been setting it up for drifting, and he's been actually playing and learning. You can also see him on Twitch. Well, won't see him on Twitch at the minute, will you? No more Twitch. There he is.
Hi guys.
So no more Twitch for a bit, but yeah, Maddie set it all up, and now we're going to sit down and actually figure out what goes where. And what I've done, I actually pulled out steering column that we've taken off from 86 to try and place everything as close as possible to OEM specs essentially. And next thing we're going to do, probably take this one off and then sort of measure up and then see if it's comfortable or not. Obviously seat moves, that's the bonus. So seat moves forwards and backwards. We are also have to cater for kids and stuff like that, because they're going to be playing as well, won't they? So yeah.
So let's try fit some stuff in a car.
Sounds good. Right, gonna do that, and then I'm gonna get back to you guys in a minute. Bit of assembly required. Pedal box at the minute is there, but you might go inverted because we don't have enough room at the minute. We'll figure it out. Loads of room. Okay, that's a pilot hole.
So yeah, holes for the
For
the pedals.
I figured out where we want the pedals. So I did massage the firewall a bit, but it doesn't matter. Gonna paint it, grind it down. Well, that's where we want the pedals to sit, so they're nice and sort of straight on there. So yeah.
To be honest, angles could be adjusted with pedal faces if we want to adjust it. But I would say let's just put it in, see what's what,
Yeah.
get the right sort of.
Yeah, for now I can bolt them down and then you can adjust them later anyway, so should be alright. Yeah, should be alright. Alright, cool.
Cool.
Next I need to mark the other holes and then yeah, go from there. Should be peachy. That's it. Basically like this. Then you sit there like yeah, nice and comfy. So, and you can actually move it and all the way back. So you know. And I think with this one we just make a plate because there's already screws there. I can make holes or use these ones here. Make a plate and then attach everything from there because you got I can't see it now. You got the base bit that can bolt in through there. So I think this should be sturdy enough anyway. So it's going to be bolted down.
Yeah.
That's the plan.
Cool.
Okay, the pedal box is in. That was the easy bit. Need different screws for this, flatheads. That's an easy solution. And yeah, we're just putting everything inside because I think that is it for today. And I'm gonna carry on working on little projects, the lights. I'm gonna cut the lenses because everything's attached. So I'm gonna cut the lenses down. I'm probably gonna paint the chrome bits. That is the plan. And then I'm going to do bits and bobs to actually get the steering wheel fit. I'm going to put a little plate in there and drill holes, mounting brackets, whatnot. We'll see what's what. But yeah, it's getting there, I've done a lot in the last few days, so I think I'll leave this video at that. And sim rig should be up and running in the next video, I think.
Hopefully, yeah.
Hopefully. Well, there's no other option at this point, I don't think, because everything else is near enough done. So, alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.